Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link your MailChimp account to your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your JotForm to MailChimp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, collecting subscribers in JotForm, but you manage your mail through MailChimp, it's easier if you connect your JotForm. That way the subscriber information gets routed into your MailChimp as well at the same time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you're going to connect your MailChimp, it's handled on the form level. It's not for the account. So what you're going to need to do is here on the left, click on all forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the forms you've put together in JotForm. You can see I just have these two. Now, in order to link your MailChimp, you're going to hover over the form. And once you do that, you're going to see it kind of turns purplish, and you'll see these three buttons on the right. Click on edit form. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see your JotForm. You can see I just have this simple form here. And in order to link it to your MailChimp, you're going to click here on settings here on the top center. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the MailChimp logo. If you don't see it for some reason, go ahead and just click on the search bar and type in MailChimp. Once you do that, you'll see it pop up right here, and just click on it. And they're going to give you some information on MailChimp. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on authenticate. Okay, once you do that, MailChimp is going to open up a login browser. So you're going to need to log in with your MailChimp username and password. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, next, MailChimp is going to open up this form. It's letting you know that JotForm is trying to connect to your MailChimp. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, the JotForm page refreshes. So you can see that MailChimp has now been added. So they're asking me which list inside my MailChimp should these users go to that are filling out this form. So just click on here and then choose the list that's inside your MailChimp. So I'll choose this one. Okay, and then here you can go ahead and set up tags for the folks that are coming from this particular JotForm. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and match your fields. So this is email address inside of MailChimp. So we're going to match that to our form right here. And then when do you want the contacts to be sent to MailChimp? So for me, I usually will leave it on always. And let me uncheck that. And then I'm going to click on complete integration. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you see integration ready. So now what's going to happen is anybody who fills out this particular form on my JotForm, their information is going to be sent over to my MailChimp account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your MailChimp account to your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.